What's up guys, A Plus Rick here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the fisher and make yourself a bunch of food. It is a good way in Tekkit Lite to start when you're starting, so that you don't have to worry about food and going and finding pigs and killing pigs or bringing pigs back and making a farm. You don't really need to do it. So let's get into this. First we're going to need some water. We need some charcoal. I got a lever, a Redstone Engine, gold chest, a bat box, a wrench, copper wire, an overclocker. I got a pickaxe that I'll be needing, cobblestone transport pipe, wooden transport pipe, just need one of those, the fisher machine, an electric furnace, and of course 2 generators is what I'm using to start off. So let's start this off, and to start it off we're going to, well, no, we didn't want to do that. Alright, we're going to, first thing we want to do is place our generators. I'm going to place them on top of each other, and let's get them started. Okay, so now since we have that, we're going to want to get some energy, so let's shift click, and you know, we probably don't need that there, we can probably go right into it. So we need a bat box, and show everything's an input except for that color there is the output. So what I'm going to do here is first let's get this set to our, let's move this, let's see how we're doing this, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, so we'll put it right here. We're going to put our electric furnace. Okay, we see it's got power coming to it. I'll throw these 2 overclockers in there so that it keeps up with the speed. We're going to need some transport pipes. Wooden transport pipe there. Pull these going over to our chest. I'm using a gold chest. You could use anything you'd want. I'd recommend, if you're going to leave this on always and just keep refilling it with charcoal, I would recommend using a diamond chest. I'm just going to use a gold chest. It has lots of space, and that's what I had in my inventory when I decided to start this. Alright, we're going to put a redstone engine there so that we can pull out the finished product. Get a switch there. Okay, so now we got all this ready. Machine's almost full on power. We haven't used a lot of coal. So now we have to dig out, and the fisher requires a 3 by 3 water source. So what we have to do here is make our water source. I'm sure most of you know how to make an infinite water source. And we just use those 3 like that, and there we have it. We're going to want to get our fisher set up here. So let's get it in the center there. Pull these off. We need to power this. But before we power it, I want to let's get the output set. So what we're going to do, whoops, got to shift click to get that on there. Oh, and of course I'm stuck now, right? Yeah. Okay, so we want to use the cobblestone pipe so that it goes direct from the fisher as it fishes it up into the electric furnace, which will then shoot into our chest. So let's hook this up and see if we have it all working correctly. It is getting power. Now we just have to wait to see if it fishes anything up. Turn this on so that when it comes into here, it will automatically exit. Actually, first let's make sure that it starts working. So we're going to sit here and wait for some fish. Alright, looks like it's fishing them up. And we see we have a fish coming out. It's going to go into our electric furnace. It's going to take a little bit of time. Should have put a gold pipe in there. I should have made one. You can make a gold pipe if you want, so that it will go a little faster. And we'll see this come in. It should automatically cook. We see it's cooking pretty fast. It's going to go in. Okay, so now we know that that's in. Now we want to turn this on so that we can make sure that we're pulling this out. It's pulling it out. It's moving it. And it should wind up into our gold chest, which will give us food without having to do that much work at all. You could use one generator, I think would work. I just use two because it'll keep the bat box going and both machines at the same time with the overclockers. So there we have it. Now we have some food. And let's see, I'm not hungry. Nope, not hungry, can't eat. Let's get it. We gotta eat this. We gotta eat it. Let's jump around. No? Nope, not gonna do it. Well, we tried. Alright, well there you have it. That is how you make a fishing machine to automatically cook your fish and send it to a chest. Pretty simple and easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was instructional for you, and please rate and comment if you'd like. If you don't like it, you don't have to. You could always thumbs up, thumbs down, however you like. I appreciate either or, and hopefully this helped you out. Thanks for watching.